I don't know.
Hey everybody, I'm Donovan.
And I'm Autumn.
And you're watching The Hair Game.
Feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart.
Hey everybody, we are at Salon Republic in Hollywood in the lab. And Autumn is going to be doing something special. She is teaching her Glamlocks sewn-in hair extension technique. What are people going to be seeing in the class today?
Oh, it's going to be so cool. I'm going to be doing a live demo on a model. I'm taking her from shorter to a little bit longer. And I also have mannequins set up so they will get to take what they're learning in the class and get to try it on the mannequin doll. So it'll be fun.
Sounds great. Let's get started.
All right, cool. We don't do just one row, two rows. Like the whole thing is creating like what you want to fill. So we want to give her length, right? But we definitely want to fill in the sides too, so it looks full and long. Basically, you're going to hold this like this. Hairspray is going to be your best friend. So it's going to go underneath. And then you're just going to slip that between your fingers. And then this, so it's a slip knot. It's not like a knot. And that's the other difference. And so it's able to kind of move. Okay, so let me get the beads. You're gonna take the needle. You're gonna pull it through. So it's like right there. And then I'm just sliding this. Okay, so it's just backed up right next to it, clamped, just like that. So this is supporting that, so it's not gonna pull too much. My whole thing is the less tension, the less amount of point of tension that we have in the hair, the least amount of damage. Yes. Now what you can do is you can use your pins and pin the sides of the thread, but I'm just gonna hold it, pinch.
Oh my gosh.
Like that.
That's great.
And then you're just gonna go in.
You guys are good. I love it.
All right, now Autumn, how is the Glamlocks method different than other hair extension sewn-in methods?
You know, that's a great question because we are different in a lot of different ways, for the stylist especially. Different in the way that we secure the bead onto the hair, the way that we sew, the direction that we sew, the amount of hair that we use per weft, least amount of breakage, least amount of damage to the client, quickest for the stylist, very simple, easy. And so I'm going under. You're going to want to cut. You want to make sure it's underneath that track, not too close to that bead. I like to have a lot of needle and thread because I don't like to
have to redo it.
Yes, because it's happened before. And you just have to get really creative.
We often get questions about the methods, the techniques that we see here on the Hair Game. How long do these extensions last?
That's a great question. They last about every 8 to 10 weeks, sometimes 12 weeks. Okay. I do have some people that can wear them for 3 months. It's very long, but they wear it. And the hair itself could last anywhere from 6 months to a year, depending on how well you take care of it.
So I know that some of the people out there watching, they're not stylists, they're actually clients who kind of just follow along. Yes. Now, should they try to buy their extensions on their own and then bring them into the stylist?
Their own hair?
Yeah, or should they get their extensions from the stylist?
It's interesting. Personally, I like all of my guests to come in and I like to buy the hair because I know where it's coming from. Then I'm responsible for it. You never know what you're getting out there. You don't know if you're getting 100% human hair. You don't know if you can color it. You don't even know if you can use hot tools on it. So,
So you've done the research. You know the types of hairs that's good. they would have to do all that research to make sure that they get the right
Trust your
product.
stylist.
Yeah, that's right.
Bottom line.
Bottom line. That's a good
Yeah.
line. Trust your stylist.
Yes.
Got no limits, I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue. 'Cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act. But I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart.
And we're done. It looks amazing,
Thank
Autumn.
you.
Now,
It is
tell them
gorgeous.
everybody. Give them an overview again. What all did you do?
Oh my gosh, what didn't we do here? We did about 1, 2, 3 full rows, a couple of mini rows. I tend to like to pre-wash the hair with a violet shampoo before I use them, especially on my blondes. I like to root them with like a Redken Shades EQ 07NB. Some of them I tone through the ends with an 09NB Shades EQ. But yeah, this is the finished result. I love it.
Yeah, then just a little bit of curls and
Yeah,
send her on her
little
way.
curls and she's good to go. And just a little bit of cut. I didn't do too much cut, just a little bit of blending with the blending shears to keep the length and the fullness.
Great.
But this is it.
It looks amazing. Now, if people want to learn more about your technique, maybe
Yes.
take your class,
Absolutely.
or even have questions, want to book with you, how do they reach you?
It's great. I just actually launched on Glamlocks.com. You can go and purchase the class. It's about a 30-minute class, and you have any questions, you want to make an appointment with me or talk to me about a hands-on course, you can reach me at Glamlocks Pro. You can direct message me at
Great.
Glamlocks Pro.
And that's right up on the screen for you.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
Thanks for doing this. Thanks
so
you guys.
much.
See ya.
Bye.